Welcome to Lem Studio. In this dev update, I'm going to be demonstrating the new features in Histacom 1.8.9.8. But before I do that, I want to mention that in the last dev update back in August, I had said I added basic mod support to the game, but I never showed how to create the mods or add them to the game. So I'm going to show how to do that before going into the game. So when you launch the mod creator, it'll ask you to log in. Now, to be able to create a mod for the game, you have to register online at the Lem Studio website. The registration is not yet up on the website, but I will be adding that in the next day or two. If you don't enter the right information, the mod creator will not launch. To begin creating a MSI for the game, first specify the main exe. Then select which license you want to use. You can either use Philips license, or you can select a custom license from a text file. When I added the exe, the program automatically added the program's name, start menu location, and default install location. You can change these if you want to. If there are other resources other than the main exe that you want in the MSI, click Add Resource. If there's a resource that you do not want that you've added, select the file and click Delete. Also select the banner location. The banner and icon need to be in a PNG format. Once you are done preparing the MSI, click Create MSI. Next, specify the location where you want to save the MSI. The program will then tell you once it has finished creating the MSI file. To add a website to the game, you must specify the root folder for the website. This folder must contain the indexed file for the web page. After you selected the folder, enter the web address for the folder. Then click OK. If you want to add more resources to that web page, just click Add Web Resource. Currently, web pages do not support subdirectories, but that will be added in the next version. Also, there's a small bug where the reset button is currently disabled, but that will be fixed in the next version as well. Once you are ready to create your website, click Create Web Package. To be able to load your MSI file into the game, you have to either add it to a website or add it to a storage medium. Storage mediums can either be in a floppy disk, a CD, or a DVD. All three formats will already have some space already used on the medium. You can either add a folder or add files or create a new subdirectory on the medium. Once you have selected all the files and folders you want for the medium, click Create Medium. Do be aware that you can't overfill the medium beyond its maximum capacity. Now that the floppy and the web package have been made, we will now go into the actual game. I have noticed another bug, which I'll be fixing before uploading this program, is that after you click Create Medium, the list view disappears. So my screen recorder crashed while demonstrating the new features of the game. While I was demonstrating the features, I realized there was a few major bugs that I should probably fix before releasing a version of the game. So I decided to cut out that half of the video and just upload the mod creation. Now, a few notes I should say about the mod creation. You can create either a C# or Visual Basic program. I know it works for those two at least. I'm not sure about other EXEs. But the program must not have a border on, so it can't have the top bar or any of the borders around it. And it should only include the main area of the program. There is a bug I won't be able to fix for this release of the game, which is for some reason when the programs are inside of the shell, the menu items do not work. I don't know how to fix this. I'll have to look into it more. So even though these are supposed to have drop downs, they don't work. See, this is what the program looks like outside of the shell, and this is what it looks like inside of the shell. And as you can see, none of the menus work in here, yet they work perfectly fine when the program is outside of the shell. Also, this version of Project Chicago does not have any desktop settings. I'll just make that note before signing off. So anyhow, I'll upload a complete dev update for the actual game in the next few days after I fix the few bugs. Anyhow, bye.